Hi there. Today we'll see different types of integer constant. So there are 4 types of integer constants. These are decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. The digits we use in each of them are as: in decimal we use digits from 0 to 9. That's why decimal is of base 10. In binary we use digits 0 and 1. That's why binary is of base 2. Octal uses digits 0 to 7, that are total 8 digits, hence the base of octal integer is 8. In hexadecimal, we use digits from 0 to 9, these are 10 digits, and alphabets from A to F. These alphabets are 6 and the integer digits are 10. The total digits we use in hexadecimal is 16. Hence, the base of hexadecimal is 16. So let's see example of each. In decimal, we use the digits from 0 to 9. These are 10 digits. Example 239. In binary, we use the suffix 0b. This consists of 2 digits, that is only 0 and 1. Hence, the base 2. Octal starts with prefix 0o, either lowercase o or uppercase o. This consists of 8 digits, hence the base 8. This contains the digits from 0 to 7, total 8 digits. And hexadecimal has prefix 0x, and this contains the digits from 0 to 9 and A to F alphabets. Total 16 digits, hence the base 16. So let's dive into coding. Open Edit Plus. We'll create a new folder inside Python folder to int. This is dedicated for integer constants only. We'll create a new file a.py. This is for decimal. Okay, so we'll create a variable of decimal type, x equal to suppose 87, print x and print type of x. Okay, let's see the type of x here. So open command prompt, e drive cd gomind cd python cd2 int cls a.py. Look, 87 and class int. Okay, we have printed x is 87 and type of x is class int. b.py for binary x equal to, so we have seen that we use prefix 0b and any number containing digits 0 and 1, 100. Okay, let's see this. Print x, print type of x, b.py. So 100 in binary represents 4 in decimal. Okay, let's see a new example. c.py. In this we'll see octal x equal to, in octal we use prefix 0x and we can use the digits from 0 to 7. So 7 3 4. Okay, print x, print type of x. Okay, so all these are of int type, int data type. Okay, c.py. Look, class int, and 734 in octal represents 476 in decimal. Okay, looking for hexadecimal, x equal to, in hexadecimal we use prefix 0x and any number from 0 to 9 and alphabets from A to F. Okay, so let's see what A represents. After 9 we have A, so A should represent 10. Okay, in decimal. So print X and print type of X. I'm showing you type of X just for demonstration purpose. Okay, it has nothing to do with this octal and this hexadecimal. So look, A in hexadecimal represents 10 in decimal. Okay, means after counting from 0 to 9 in decimal we get 10 after 9, and in hexadecimal we get A after 9. So both of these should be same. Okay, so A in hexadecimal represents 10 in decimal. Okay, now in Python we have a function for each of these integer types, so we'll see them. New example, e.py. So first function is bin. Bin converts any given integer to binary form. So let's see, we have a number, suppose 2, and we print bin. Bin take one argument and converts that argument to binary form. So 2 in decimal represents 1 0 in binary, so we should get 1 0. Okay, e.py 0b 1 0. Okay, binary representation of 2. Now let's see 21. We can cross check any value. Okay, 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so this is the function of bin. Similarly we have oct and hex. So let's see oct, f.py oct function, x equal to, we can give any number, we can give hexadecimal also. So let's give hexadecimal to octal 9a, suppose. Okay, print oct x. So let's see what 9a represents in octal. Okay, f.py 232. Look, 9a represents 232 in octal. Okay, so you can play with it. Okay, g.py, this is hex. So x equal to, let's take now binary. Okay, 0b 1001. Okay, 1001. Print hex x. Okay, we are converting this binary to hexadecimal. g.py, this represents 11 in hexadecimal. Okay, also one thing, we can't use floating points in binary digits. Okay, we can't use floating points in these types of integer which have prefix 0b 0 o or 0x. We can't use them. Okay, so let's see this example. We have 0b 100.11. so running b.py. Okay, invalid syntax. Also there is no range for these types of integers. We can make our integer of any length. This is only in Python. h.py. Let's see some example. X equal to, let's see any long number. Print x, h.py. Look, no error is coming. Okay, also in hexadecimal we can use these alphabets as uppercase or lowercase. This doesn't affect the code. Okay, so let's say an example, i.py x equal to 0x, and suppose we have used uppercase alphabets. So let's print x i.py look, 35579. Okay, and if we use lowercase AFP, then I dot by 35579. Look, there is no difference. Okay, so we can use uppercase or lowercase in hexadecimal in form. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see floating point types in next lecture. Thank you.